What's up everyone, this is Julius again from Ojasweb Digital Solution. In this video I want to show you another tips on how you can get relevant keywords that you can use to target your advert on Google. If you are advertising some kind of businesses that are not easily allowed on Google except you go through some strategies which I talked about in some of my courses, you might not be able to get some keywords that you can target in your advert. For example, right in this Google Ads account, if I go straight to the Google Keyword Planner and I want to search for some of the keywords that is very relevant for this business. So if I click on Discover New Keywords, if I click on that and I go ahead and type computer repairs, iPhone repair, laptop repair, MacBook repair. If I enter all of these keywords and I go ahead and click on search, you'll realize all of these keywords are removed from the Google Keyword Planner. This is simply because Google does not want anyone to advertise for these keywords again. But despite the fact that Google does not allow these keywords to be advertised, I am still advertising for this particular keyword and I'm targeting these keywords in the advert and I'm getting results from Google. Let's go back to the overview page and see if this is true or not. So I'll go ahead and type overview and I'll go back to the overview page. Then I'll go to the campaign. Then I want to show you the campaign that are active and what keywords we are targeting for this campaign. As you can see here, we have two active campaigns, computer repairs and others. Now let's go straight to the keyword section and you want to see what keyword we're targeting for this particular campaign. So the first one we see here, we have phone screen repair, computer repair, PC repairs and so on. This tells you that despite the fact that Google doesn't want us to advertise with these keywords, we are still advertising for the keywords and we are getting results from Google. So you can see 78 clicks, 95 clicks, 39 clicks, 26 clicks and so on. So now this shows that you can still advertise for these keywords and get results. But what I want to show you now, in case you want to conduct keyword research on Google Keyword Planner and you are not seeing any keyword just like I showed you in the previous demonstration. Now this is another tips that you can use to get keywords for your business. So what you have to do is you create a new campaign. Just like I have two campaigns here, you want to create a new campaign. And that new campaign, the purpose of that new campaign is to get keyword ideas from Google, because once your advert starts showing to people on Google, people will be searching for different keywords and all of these keywords will be bringing your advert and you'll be getting impressions and you'll be getting some clicks. So the clicks you are getting, you want to know which keywords these people are using to find your business. Just like I show you when I click on this particular campaign and I go straight to the keyword and I go to the search terms, I will see all the keywords that these people are using to find the companies on Google. So from here I can go ahead and copy any keyword that is relevant for the business and use it to target the advert on Google. So when you set up your new campaign, what you just want to do is you want to add one or two keywords there. You leave the keyword in a broad match state, and when you leave it in a broad match state, you want to allow the advert to run. And once the advert starts running and start getting impressions, getting some clicks, you will be seeing the keywords that people use to discover your business, and you can then use those keywords in your advert to get more exposure on Google. That is another tip I want to share with you, and I believe you have seen this live and direct and you'll be able to apply this method to get some keyword ideas that you can add to your advert on Google. Thanks again for watching and bye for now.